Did you know about an artist who went from being arrested to becoming a millionaire worth $2 million? A comedian, actor, and musician who turned his social media fame into a global phenomenon. This is the story of DC Young Fly, a tale of resilience, talent, and unparalleled success. And as we dive into this journey, there's a surprising twist waiting in the middle that you won't see coming. DC Young Fly, born John Richard Whitfield, is a multi-talented comedian, actor, musician, and entrepreneur who turned his life around from a troubled past to unimaginable success. From his humble beginnings in Atlanta to conquering the entertainment world, his journey is an extraordinary story of grit and determination. In this video, we'll explore his inspiring life, his career's key milestones, and the lavish lifestyle he's built. But stay tuned because there's a shocking twist that will make you see him in a whole new light. DC Young Fly was born on May 2, 1992, in Atlanta, Georgia. Growing up as the youngest in his family, he had a lively and dynamic childhood. On one hand, he was the entertainer of his school and a church choir singer. On the other, his teenage years took a darker turn. Struggling with the tough realities of life in Atlanta, he got involved in illegal activities, selling drugs and participating in robberies. These choices landed him in jail during his high school years. However, what set him apart was his ability to find humor even in the hardest times. His natural comedic talent and charisma became his way out. DC didn't let his rough beginnings define him. Instead, he used them as fuel to create a better life for himself. In 2013, DC Young Fly made his debut on Vine, the now-defunct short video platform. His hilarious and relatable content resonated with audiences, quickly making him a fan favorite. Even when Vine was shut down, DC didn't lose momentum. He transitioned to Instagram, where his witty celebrity roasting videos earned him a larger following. These videos were not only funny but also bold, catching the attention of high-profile celebrities like Kevin Hart and LeBron James. This was the stepping stone that propelled him into the limelight, proving that even unconventional beginnings could lead to something remarkable. By 2015, DC Young Fly had cemented his position as a social media star and joined the cast of VH1's hit show Wild 'N Out. This improvisational comedy and rap battle series gave him a platform to showcase his comedic skills to a broader audience. His quick wit and impeccable timing quickly made him one of the standout performers on the show. As the years passed, he became an integral part of the show, eventually earning the status of a main cast member by 2020. His success on Wild 'N Out opened doors to guest appearances on popular TV shows such as The Quad, Man and Wife, and Grownish. But here's the twist. DC Young Fly didn't stop at comedy or acting. He took on a new challenge by becoming the host of MTV's TRL, Total Request Live, reboot. His natural charisma and ability to connect with audiences brought fresh energy to the show. Could this be the pivotal moment that solidified his career as an all-round entertainer? Let's uncover more. In 2016, DC Young Fly made his movie debut with the comedy film #Digital Lives Matter. Not only did he act in it, but he also co-produced it, proving his versatility. This marked the beginning of a new phase in his career. He went on to star in films like How High 2, the sequel to the cult classic, and the 2023 remake of House Party. Through these projects, he expanded his fan base and honed his acting skills. His ability to effortlessly transition from comedy to drama has made him a sought-after figure in Hollywood. DC Young Fly's journey from struggle to luxury is nothing short of inspirational. Despite his fame and fortune, he remains deeply connected to his family and values. One of his first major achievements was buying his mother a new car and a beautiful home, a gesture that reflects his gratitude and humility. Now, he enjoys the fruits of his hard work, living a luxurious lifestyle while staying grounded. Whether it's his stylish wardrobe or his meaningful philanthropic efforts, DC embodies the perfect balance of success and compassion. When it comes to cars, DC Young Fly's collection is a testament to his success. He owns a Rolls-Royce Ghost, a vehicle synonymous with elegance and luxury, valued at over $340,000. Alongside it is his Lamborghini Urus, a high-performance SUV priced at approximately $230,000, showcasing his love for speed and power. Completing his collection is the iconic Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, a blend of style and versatility. Each car reflects not just his financial success, but also his journey from humble beginnings to a life of opulence. DC Young Fly's mansion in Atlanta is a reflection of his achievements. The sprawling property features state-of-the-art modern architecture, spacious bedrooms, and a private swimming pool. It's more than just a house. It's a sanctuary where he celebrates his success with his family. The mansion serves as a reminder of how far he has come from his early struggles. As of now, DC Young Fly's net worth is estimated at $2 million. His income streams are as diverse as his talents, ranging from TV shows like Wild 'N Out to his thriving music career and acting roles. His comedy podcast, The 85 South Show, adds another layer of financial stability. This impressive net worth reflects not only his success but also his relentless drive and determination. DC Young Fly's life is a powerful reminder that your past does not define your future. From a troubled teen who once ended up in jail to a multi-talented entertainer with a luxurious lifestyle, his story inspires millions. If you found this journey as inspiring as we did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, success isn't about where you start. It's about where you decide to go. Keep chasing your dreams.
Group chat this week. Got you dream chasing like me. I made a left down your street.